Today we are going to discuss Megasthenes and his work Indica. This is the part first. Under part 2, we would discuss Megasthenes' observation on Indian society, administration and economy. Now the question is, who was Megasthenes? Megasthenes was the Greek envoy, Greek ambassador who was sent by Seleucus in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Mauryan dynasty in India, and the capital of the Magad Empire was Patliputra. Whatever Megasthenes has observed in India, he has compiled in his book Indica. But unfortunately, the book is lost. The book is not available to us. But the classical writers of the subsequent period, this is the list of classical writers who had taken passages or references for Megasthenes' Indica. We have come to know about Megasthenes' Indica. That is, through the accounts of classical writers, we know about Indica, Megasthenes' Indica. But the classical writers, this is the list of classical writers, Strabo, Diodorus, Pliny, Arrian, Justin and Plutarch. These classical writers had written either in Greek or Latin. But to translate Megasthenes' Indica into English, the credit to translate Megasthenes' Indica into English goes this man. That is J.W. McIndrell. John Watson McIndrell. He was a Scottish. And he translated Megasthenes' Indica into English in 19th century. These are the some important points and very significant, very important for the examination, competitive examination point of view. The classical writer, for example, the classical writer Plutarch calls Chandragupta Maurya Androcotus, whereas Justin says Sandrocotus. And these are the statements of Justin. Chandragupta Maurya overran the whole of India with an army of 6 lakhs. The same statement was delivered. The same statement belonged to Plutarch. And the second statement of Justin, very important from the examination point of view, Chandragupta Maurya as a youth met Alexander in the Punjab. Strabo wrote Geographica in Greek language, Pliny Naturalis Historica in Latin language, and this statement is also very important and is often asked in the examination. India and other countries of the Orient, Orient means East, drained Rome to the extent of 100 million sesterces annually. Okay.